Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review, a couple of close-ups of BA101 battery tester by ANCEL. Hello again. So in today's video I'm talking about battery tester. Why would you need a battery tester? I'm talking about the battery tester for your car. If your battery is more than 2 years old, most likely sooner or later you're gonna need to replace the battery. Most of the car batteries last usually, especially like in Florida, they last about 3 years, maybe 4 years. So you don't want to be stuck in a situation where your battery is not gonna be working. In my old car, I got this situation where I just couldn't start it, and I didn't know whether it was something wrong with the battery. Maybe there's a problem with the starter. So to eliminate those kind of situations and be sure what's going on with your battery, ANCEL BA101 is a perfect battery tester. It's something that I really wanted for a long time. The price right now is I think about $30-something. Tester comes with instructions, and it comes with the cable that you can later connect between your computer and your device to retrieve the results of your tests. So the tester BA101 is pretty small. All it has is 4 buttons, and on the side you have a connection port for your cable. I'm not gonna go into details on how to check every single thing, because this is a comprehensive device that can allow you to check different parameters of the battery. You can read all that in the instructions, but basically what every car owner should do is from time to time check the battery. First of all, to make sure that the battery has an appropriate voltage and also the crank power. Crank power is something that allows you to crank properly and start the engine. And if you don't have enough power in the battery, you're just not going to start a car. So it's just a good practice to go and check your battery once in a while. I check it once a year just to double check that I have that power when I need it. So the battery tester allows you to check a couple of things. So you can do the quick test, you can do battery in vehicle, you can check the battery out of the vehicle, and then you can see the waveforms of the battery, review data, print data, and then you have some system setup. So here's my battery. So this is minus, which is black. So I'm going to connect black to minus, and I'm going to connect red to plus. Every battery will have different amp hours. As you can see, my battery has a 59 amp hours. So you need to find that number on your battery to input it onto the device to properly check your battery. So your car may have 30, 40, 50, 80 or whatever it is. You need to enter that number. So I'm going to go and put 60 because that's the closest to what I actually have. So as you can see, I'm going to change it to 60 and I'm gonna click enter. Now I hope you can see it. So my battery health is 100%, my charge is 93%, and it shows that my battery's voltage is 12.59 volts, which is great. And on the bottom you get the message, it's a good battery. Just to let you know, I checked that battery a couple of weeks ago, and my charge was I think about 60%, and I got the message to charge it. I didn't charge it at the time because I knew that the health of the battery was good, was 100%. I just took the car for a longer drive to charge the battery, and now I have a charge of 93%. So now we can go to exit, and we have another things to check, which is battery in vehicle. Now to check battery in vehicle, so I'm going to go down and we're gonna go enter. So now we have a battery test, cranking test, or charging test. If you have a battery out of the vehicle, you choose out of the vehicle, and it's going to perform a little bit different tests with a little bit different environment. When your battery is connected in your car, you just want to double check it, you just go to the quick test or battery in vehicle. So let's go and check cranking test. So for cranking test, this is very important. This will tell us if our battery still has enough cranking power to start the car. So I'm gonna go, okay, now it tells me start the engine. Now I'm gonna go and start the engine. Now engine has started, and now we're going. And now we get information that our cranking was normal, so everything's fine. And now we can see that our time of cranking was 340 milliseconds and cranking was normal, and the voltage was 1053. This is very important information, especially for those who live in colder climates. In the winter time, probably most of you have experienced the situation where you cannot start the car. And if you cannot start the car because the battery does not have enough cranking power to start it, especially in a winter time, this is very important. I also had a problem in years ago in my other car where the battery seemed to be fine when I checked the voltage, but there was no cranking power. So this is the test that allows you to check those things. So I don't want to make this review super long, but this is the device that for $30 something can give you peace of mind that you can always check your battery. You don't have to wait for the situation when your battery is gonna be almost dead. That's the same type of device that if you go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, those guys can check it for you. But of course, if there's something wrong with your battery, you have no idea if this is something serious or not, and you still need to go somewhere. This you can use in your house. Check your battery from time to time. If you notice that your battery is depleted, you can just go and recharge it or go for a longer trip. So the biggest advantage of having something like this at home is that you can always check your battery. You don't need to drive anywhere. And then also on top of checking the voltage and cranking power, you can also check if your battery is bad or not. This is also very important. You may have a brand new battery or 1-year-old battery who may be malfunctioning. And this device can also check if the cells, individual cells in the battery are working properly. I'm not gonna go into the details, but you can check all those things with this small, tiny device. I also have a car computer from ANCEL. It's a really good device. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.